In the year 1917, the world was changing rapidly. Industry was growing, cities were expanding, and businesses needed something stronger than a passenger car, something reliable, affordable, and built purely for work. This was the moment when the Ford Model TT pickup was born. Created by Henry Ford, the Model TT was not just a modified car. It was America's first mass-produced heavy-duty truck, designed to carry loads, support businesses, and shape modern transportation. Before 1917, trucks were expensive machines owned only by large companies. Most small businesses still relied on horses, wagons, or modified cars. Henry Ford believed transportation should be accessible to everyone. Just like the Model T changed personal travel, the Model TT was meant to change commercial transport. In July 1917, Ford officially introduced the Model TT chassis. It was affordable, reliable, and built to work every single day. At first glance, the Model TT looked similar to the Model T, but the differences were massive. It featured a reinforced steel ladder frame, a longer wheelbase, and a strong rear axle with worm drive gearing. Heavy-duty suspension allowed it to carry serious loads. The Model TT was usually sold as a bare chassis. Customers could install flatbeds, box bodies, dump beds, tankers, or firefighting equipment. This flexibility made it extremely popular across many industries. The Ford Model TT used a 2.9-liter inline four-cylinder engine producing around 20 horsepower. By modern standards this seems weak, but in 1917 it was enough. Its top speed was about 15 miles per hour when loaded. Speed was never the goal. Strength and reliability were what mattered. The worm drive rear axle allowed the truck to carry heavy cargo, climb rough terrain, and operate for long hours without failure. The official payload rating of the Model TT was 1 ton, although many owners pushed it beyond that. It was used for farm deliveries, construction materials, food transport, postal services, and industrial supplies. From rural farms to busy city streets, the Model TT was everywhere. One of the biggest reasons for its success was simple engineering. There were no electronics, no complex systems, and no unnecessary parts. This allowed easy maintenance, quick repairs, and low operating costs. Farmers fixed it themselves. Local mechanics understood it easily. Spare parts were available everywhere. The Model TT was built to survive abuse, and it did. The Model TT changed the economy in a powerful way. Small businesses could deliver goods faster, reach new customers, and expand their operations. Farmers could transport crops to distant markets, save time, and increase profits. The truck didn't just move goods, it moved opportunity. During World War I, the Ford Model TT proved its value beyond civilian life. It was used as a military transport truck, an ambulance, and a mobile repair unit. Fire departments also converted the chassis into early fire engines. The Ford Model TT remained in production from 1917 to 1927. More than 1 million units were produced. This was an incredible achievement for a truck in the early 20th century. By the 1920s, the Model TT had become a symbol of progress and hard work. It laid the foundation for all modern pickup trucks. It proved that trucks could be affordable, mass-produced, and built for everyone. The Ford Model TT was slow, loud, and basic, but it never gave up. More than a vehicle, the Ford Model TT pickup was a tool of progress.